Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best waterless car washes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Waterless Car Wash Kit. Forget car cleaning products that require too much water or leave the place messy because of water, lather, suds, and other things. With this car wash by Armor, you will wash your car without needing any water. The product contains active compounds with eliminating the dirt, dust, stains, greases, and oils fast. Moreover, it doesn't have any abrasive compounds or harsh chemicals that may ruin the car's bodywork or paintwork. The product is ideal for any car and does not have a very strong scent. In fact, many consumers stick to it due to its mild smell and the shiny luster it leaves behind. The product is packed in a nice and handy bottle and releases only a small amount at a time. You, therefore, will be less worried about excess volumes or wastage. In addition to the 16-ounce bottle, you also get 4 microfiber towels. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Waterless Car Wash. If you want your car, boat, RV, airplane, motorcycle, bike to clean and shiny without using water, then you need this Waterless Car Wash by Dual Polymer. It eliminates unwanted things like dirt, dust, stains, oils, watermarks, fingerprints, bird droppings and much more with ease. And since it's waterless, you don't need to haul or struggle with a pail or bucket of water. The safe ingredients won't just get rid of the dirt but also add extra protection to your car. This is courtesy of the water repellent characteristics as well as superior ingredients. Besides cleaning, the product also helps to deal with minor scratches or blemishes. The solution provides a protective coating and helps to mask any mark. And did you know that it dries fast and the car will be ready and safe for waxing within a short time? At number 3, we have the 16-ounce Waterless Car Wash. Forget hoses, pails, buckets, nozzles, or pressure machines. With Adam's Waterless Car Wash, cleaning the car is a stress-free affair. Furthermore, it is less time and effort consuming. Simply apply a small amount on a microfiber cloth and wipe off the dirt, stain, fingerprint, bird dropping, animal excrement, watermark and more. The product is formulated using surfactants and lubricants that clean as well as leave a shiny appearance. The eco-friendly product helps to conserve water since no water is required. In addition, it does not contain contaminants or pollutants that may harm the environment. One thing consumers and experts like it for is the speedy performance. The car will be clean and shiny in a short time. Moreover, it will have better protection from the elements and ready for waxing. At number 2, we have the Hyper-Concentrated Waterless Car Wash. This is not your ordinary waterless car wash. It is also a concentrated detailing system that will help to enhance the looks of your car. Furthermore, it also works on motorcycles, ATVs, boats, aircraft and more. The product ranks amongst the safest and most effective on the market. With just a little amount, the car will look not only clean but also sparkly. This is undoubtedly why it's a favorite pick by beginners as well as seasoned users. The Chemical Guys WAC_707_16 EcoSmart is your complete detailing solution. And since it comes from the Chemical Guys, one of the revered brands in the industry, you are more certain to get quality results. Other than washing and waxing, this product also provides additional protection to the paintwork. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aircraft Quality Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax. Many consumers consider the Aero Cosmetics as among the best manufacturers of a waterless car wash and wax systems. And of the many products they have launched in the market, this one stands out. It comes in aircraft quality and will deliver professional results. On top of that, it is derived from proven ingredients that will not only wash but also wax the car. The capacity is well suited for everyday application, and you will make fewer repurchase orders. Moreover, it has a nice sealing cap to prevent accidental spills or wastage in case of an opening. In addition to the excellent cleaning characteristics, this product also provides amazing UV protection. You can, therefore, be certain that your car, boat, bike, ATV and aircraft will look sleek and shiny for a long time. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.